Welcome back to Jono's Bass Fishing. We're at Logan Martin Lake today. I got a buddy, Cory Mathis, with me today. He's got a YouTube channel also. It's Cory Mathis Fishing. You can check him out. He does a lot of videos on Wadawi. He's from Georgia, so he gets around West Point also. And he's going to be videoing today too. So if y'all want to check this video out from a different angle, go ahead and check his channel out, Cory Mathis Fishing. But we're just going to play around. It's a little cool. I know they had some tournaments yesterday. It was seemed like it was fairly slow, so we're gonna go out and see what we can do. Stay tuned. A lot of times if it's gonna break, it's gonna be on that first.
It's gonna be on the first, yep. First little trip. Tip comes off, something like that.
The first Alba Garcia Veritas I bought ever. Really?
Oh, we got one.
I got a dinky. All right, first fish, little largemouth. It's on the Mega Bass 110+1.
Told you we were gonna catch one on this stretch.
You did, he told me. Dinky.
I like to fish his style too, like just flipping, frogging.
I don't know
I mean,
a whole lot of.
that's Sweet Owie. I mean,
You see that?
oh yeah.
He just ate right there.
I'm gonna throw this up on the bank and just ease it off.
Look at that.
You get him?
I think so. Yeah, that's good. Oh, it's a decent one. Oh, it's a big spot.
Want me to get the camera or the net?
No, I ain't got a net.
Oh, nice.
He's got friends. You see him?
Yep.
See if I can pull him in here without.
Oh, that's a big one.
All right, guys.
Oh, I got hit.
Uh-oh. We might have figured something out. Might in the water. Second fish.
It's a good spot. That's what I come here to look, see.
Pretty good spot on a Spro Little John square bill. Solid spot.
That's a nice one. Got him?
Yep.
There you go, brother. Jono's hooked up. Largemouth, looks like.
Another largie.
Go.
Spro Little John square bill in red. It's kind of a struggle today. Not catching a lot of fish, so we're just taking them as they come.
Okay. Good. See how that stains in there?
Yeah.
It's like a little, almost like a little mud line.
Yeah, and I have absolutely waxed
On something like that, yeah.
Tank decor in the cold.
Got one?
I got one.
There he is.
One largie. It's a
Nice.
largemouth day. He's got bug eyes. Ooh.
Right where we were talking about.
Yeah, we were just saying they should be right there.
Right in that mud line.
Spro Little John square bill in the red. Nothing to brag about, but it's tough today, so I'm happy with them. There's definitely plenty of fish in there. Yeah, he's on there.
Go. it's done today.
Another little largie. On the Little John square bill. Same thing. Little fish. We'll take them. I'm just barely feeling that this crankbait is even wiggling.
Alright. I'll slow it down.
And that fish, I was reeling it so slow that he grabbed it and was running the side before I ever knew he was on there. He just mouthed it, and it kind of felt like I picked up a leaf. It's pretty cool when you feel them on there like that though, and it feels small. There you go. Cory's got one. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a good spot. Real good spot.
There we go, guys.
Heck yeah.
Old Johnny just had to teach me up something. Tell me to slow down. That's at least a 2.5.
Yeah. Come show my camera too if you want.
Nice fish. There we go. Finally, first fish of the day. Johnny told me to slow down, and first cast. That one was there.
That's a War Eagle spinnerbait?
Yeah.
A War Eagle spinnerbait.
War Eagle spinnerbait. Tipped with the Mickey armor shaft. He thumped it. I mean, I was creeping. These fish don't want to move, man. It's probably more my fault than anything. There we go.
Mine are small. It's a spot though. We hit the spot area.
Yep.
Alright guys, another little dinky spot on the Little John square bill again. We're both working these very, very slow, painfully slow.
I'm gonna start jigging it.
There he is.
Got it?
Nope. It is not. I don't even know if it's a bass. It is a bass. It's the spot.
Itty bitty spot. And he's just like,
He's chilling.
yeah. He like almost died on the way to the boat.
Yeah, he just stopped. Alright guys, got another little spot on the Little John square bill. He's pretty though.
That's pretty. You crank it. Yeah, I could tell back there I was staying in contact with the bottom a lot more.
Yeah.
I could feel my spinnerbait bumping stumps and different things.
We should get the same scenario.
I can feel it.
There he is. Oh, another good one. That's a largemouth.
Hey, the blade is catching the
whole
good fish.
spinnerbait's getting it done. Cory just got him another one.
Go.
Same spinnerbait.
Not catching many, but pretty green fish. Here we go, guys. There's another good one. Yeah, definitely largemouth. Right when I was like, yeah, I can feel it coming over that brush. All right, so we got a little something.
Hi guys, that's it. Had a pretty tough day today. Fish didn't really cooperate like we wanted to. We caught some solid fish, and I mean, we had fun. We just couldn't find any stats or schooling fish or anything like that. But we enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy it. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Be Be sure to hit the notification bell so you get notified about my future videos. Until next time, I'm Jonathan Harris. Thanks for watching.